Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Now we are discussing about the grammar part. Already we are completed present tense, past tense. Now today we are going to discuss about future tense. Discuss about future tense. So first of all, outcomes of the future tense. After completion of this lesson, you will be able to, means you will be perfect. You become perfect in the following aspects. First one is describing future actions. Understand various aspects of future tense. Okay, first one describing future actions. Second one, understand various aspects of future tense. As a human beings, we are interested in our future. We should love to know about our future. We think of and make plans for the future. Already we learned about that. The tenses mainly depend on time and aspects. Okay, as human beings, we are interested in our future. Means we have to make some plan to future. We have to make some plans for future. How we make, how we will write. So that is, as a human beings, we are interested in our future. We should love to know about our future. We think and make plans for the future. We think and make plans for the future. The future tense is used to describe actions which take place in the future. The future tense is used to describe actions which take place in the future. We use shall and will to form the future tense. We use shall and will to form the future tense. The future tense is used to describe the actions which take place in the future. We use shall and will to form the future tense. So come to that simple future tense. The simple future refers to a time later than now and expressions facts or certainty in case there is no attitude. The simple future refers to a time later than now and expressions facts or certainty in the case there is no attitude. సో జనరల్గా సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ అంటే భవిష్యత్తులో జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ద యాక్షన్స్ విల్ బి in the future. Come to the simple future tense. The simple future refers to a time later than now and expressions facts or certainty in case there is no attitude. So this is about the definition of simple future tense. క్యాజువల్గా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి, అలాంటి వాటికి మనము సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తాం. సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్ అంటే భవిష్యత్తులో జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. టా ఈజ్ ఎ వర్డ్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కీ వర్డ్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్ హౌ వీ విల్ ఐడెంటిఫై ఫర్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ those who are studied in Telugu medium background. They have much awareness about their mother tongue and Telugu medium. So ta word is there. క్యాజువల్గా జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి, పని చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, నేను పని చేస్తూ ఉంటాను, నేను అనుకుంటూ ఉన్నాను, కుంటూ టా టు లైక్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ద ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద కీ వర్డ్స్. కమ్ టు ద పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ద సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. Come to the positive sentence structure of the simple future tense. I, we. Here first person is there, second person is there, but here structure is quite different compared to the present tense, past tense. So keep in your mind. Okay, take care. Okay. So I, we. The we form is shall plus verb plus object. IV shall plus verb plus object. Come to he, she, it, they, you, will plus verb plus object. He, she, it, they, you, plus will plus verb plus object. I, we, shall, he, she, it, they, you, will. So this is the structure. You will apply this structure for the formation of a simple future tense. Okay, what is the structure? Once I am repeating. I, we plus shall plus verb plus object. He, she, it, they, you, will plus verb plus object. Okay, come to the example. I shall go to Hyderabad tomorrow. I shall go to Hyderabad tomorrow. We will play cricket tournament next week. I shall go to Hyderabad tomorrow. నేను రేపు హైదరాబాద్ పోతూ ఉంటాను. We will play cricket tournament next week. మేమంతా క్రికెట్ టోర్నమెంట్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో ఆడుతూ ఉంటాము. సో టా వర్డ్ ఈస్ దేర్. I shall support that party. I shall support that party. నేను ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇస్తూ ఉంటాను. మద్దతిస్తాను. ఫ్యూచర్లో నేను అప్పుడు ఇస్తాను. ఐ షల్ సపోర్ట్ దట్ పార్టీ. వీ విల్ డెవలప్ దట్ కంపెనీ. మేము భవిష్యత్తులో ఆ కంపెనీ అభివృద్ధి చేస్తాము. దే విల్ ఫాలో ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్. ద కోచ్ విల్ ఎంకరేజ్ హిమ్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్. The coach will encourage him next month. Virendra Sehwag will attack the bowlers. Virendra Sehwag will attack the bowlers. They will encourage us next week. I shall go to Hyderabad tomorrow. We will play cricket tournament next week. I shall support that party. We will develop that company next year. They will follow traffic rules. The coach will encourage him next month. Our principal will visit. The principal will visit our hostel next week. Okay. I shall write the novel book next month. Like the number of words, whatever you take the verb, visit. I shall do this work next week. I shall read the book next month. We will read the book next month. They will read the book next month. Like that, number of examples we may quote in this, we may form in the sentence examples. So here also we will use simple present tense, simple future tense used in a certain conditions also to predict future event. To predict future event, some future you are predicting, you are expecting some future event. You might have thinking some event will be happen in future. So example, it will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. He will come tomorrow. You are predicting something. It will rain tomorrow. He will come. The bus will start tomorrow. From here, the bus will start tomorrow onwards from here. The bus will stop here tomorrow onwards to the bus will stop here tomorrow onwards to the benefit of the polytechnic students. The bus will stop in front of the polytechnic college tomorrow onwards. So here to predict future event with I or we to express a spontaneous decision also. Spontaneous decision. I will pay for the tickets by credit card. I will pay for the tickets by credit card. This is also one example. To express willingness is also willingness. You are expressing some your interest, your willingness. That is also comes under simple future tense. I will do the washing up. I will do the washing up. So one more important point in simple future tense. One more important point in simple future tense. Sorry for the disturbance. Using going to. Using going to. In simple future tense. Using going to in simple future tense. I am going to buy a car. నేను కారు రేపు కొనుక్కోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రిజైన్ ద జాబ్. నేను జాబ్కు రిజైన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు రెయిన్. లుక్ ఎట్ దోస్ క్లౌడ్స్. వర్షం వచ్చేలా కనపడుతుంది. మేఘాలను చూసినట్టయితే వర్షం వచ్చేలా కనపడుతుంది. షీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఏ బేబీ. షీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఏ బేబీ. I am going to make a plan to go my native place tomorrow. How you using going to in simple future tense also? I am going to buy a car. I am going to resign the job. It is going to rain. Look at those clouds. Look at those clouds. She is going to have a baby. She is going to have a baby. So here she is going to have a baby. So using going to. Come to using be about. Using be about to. Let's get into rain. It's about to leave. Don't go out now. We are about to have lunch. Don't go out now. We are about to have a lunch. మనకు లంచ్ ఉంది. నువ్వు బయటికి ఇప్పుడే వెళ్ళకు. మనకు కొంచెం అయితే ఇక్కడ లంచ్ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ట్రైన్. ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ టు లీవ్. రైలు కదిలేలా ఉంది, తొందరగా ట్రైన్ ఎక్కువ. హౌ యూ యూజ్ సింపుల్ ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్? యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ఈస్ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. యూజింగ్ బీ అబౌట్ ఇన్ సింపుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ట్రైన్. ఇట్స్ అబౌట్ టు లీవ్. డోంట్ గో అవుట్ నౌ. వీ ఆర్ అబౌట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ లంచ్. Using going to, I am going to buy a car. I am going to resign the job. It is going to rain. Look at the cloud. She is going to have a baby. Using be about to, let's get into train. It's about to leave. Don't go out now. We are about to have lunch. About to have lunch. So after all the tenses, we will go to discuss about that negative sentences and interrogate sentences also. Okay, come to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense means this action which is in progress in future. భవిష్యత్తులో ఆ పని జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. అంటే రేపు లేదా టుమారో ఆర్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్, నెక్స్ట్ మంత్, ద యాక్షన్ విల్ బీ ఇన్ ప్రోగ్రెసివ్. Will be any progressive means active. The action or activity is in active at the time. The structure for future continuous tense. Structure for future continuous tense. I, we, shall be, verb plus ing form plus object. Verb plus ing form plus object. Okay. He, she, it, they, you will be verb plus ing plus object. He, she, it, they, you will be verb plus ing plus object. Come to the examples. I shall be supporting that party at the time. I shall be supporting that party at the time. నేను ఆ సమయంలో ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతిస్తూ ఉంటాను. I shall be supporting that party at the time. The coach will be encouraging us at the time. They will be developing that project at the time. I shall be supporting that party at the time. The coach will be encouraging us at the time. They will be developing that project at the time. So here shall be is there, verb in ing form is there, object is there. okay, at the time. Come to so many examples we will make on that project. So many examples. Virendra Sehwag will be attacking the bowlers at the time. The principal will be visiting our hostel at the time. I shall be writing the novel at the time. I shall be listening the news at the time. We will be listening the class at the time. We will be going to picnic at the time. Tomorrow. We will be going to picnic tomorrow. The science exhibition will be starting tomorrow. The coach will be motivating us next week. Like that, so many examples are there. Okay, so you is going, doing, encouraging, motivating, like that. Come to future perfect tense. Future perfect tense means the action will be completed in future with respect to a point of time. Future perfect tense, action or activity will be completed in future with respect to a point of time. గతంలో ఒక అనుకున్న సమయానికంటే ముందే ఆ పని జరిగిపోయి ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రేపు 4 o'clockకి మనం ఒక పని చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం, కానీ అప్పటికి ఆ పని అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ కమ్స్ ఫ్యూచర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్. ద యాక్షన్ ఆర్ యాక్టివిటీ విల్ బీ కంప్లీటెడ్ బిఫోర్ ద విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు a point of time. So for structure of future perfect tense, I, we plus shall have plus verb in V3 form. It means past participle plus object. I, we shall have plus verb 3 plus V3 plus object. Verb 3 means past participle verb. Okay, I, we shall have plus verb 3 plus object. He, she, it, they, you. He, she, it, they, you will have plus verb 3 plus object. He, she, it, they, you will have plus verb 3 plus object. So come to examples. I shall not be supported that party before that. I shall not be some typographical mistake came here. Negative sentence came, so some typographical mistakes are there. I shall be supported that party before that. The coach will be encouraged as before that. They will be developed the project before that. I shall be supported that party before that. నేను రేపు భవిష్యత్తులో అనుకున్న దానికంటే ముందే నేను ఆ పార్టీకి మద్దతు ఇచ్చి ఉంటాను. కోచ్ కూడా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి ఉంటాడు. ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ను వాళ్ళు అప్పటికే డెవలప్ చేసి ఉంటారు. ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ విల్ బీ విజిటెడ్ అవర్ హాస్టల్ బిఫోర్ దట్. దే విల్ బీ మోటివేటెడ్ as before that. Virendra Sehwag will be attacked before that. Will be attacked the bowlers before that. You will be arrived the bus station before that. You will be arrived the bus station before that. నువ్వు ట్రైన్ వచ్చేదానికంటే ముందే నువ్వు వచ్చి ఉంటావు అక్కడ. You will be written an interesting articles. They will be taken a good decisions. Like that, so many examples are there. Some typographical mistake is there. Actually, these examples belongs to the negative sentence of future perfect tense. Okay, sorry for that. Next, come to future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. The structure is IV plus shall have been plus verb in ing form plus object. He, she, it, they, you will have been plus verb in ing form plus object. IV shall have been plus verb in ing form plus object. He, she, it, they, you will have been plus verb in ing form plus object. Come to the example. I shall have been supporting that party at that time. The coach will have been encouraging us at that time. They will have been developing that project at that time. The principal will have been visiting our hostel at the time. Virendra Sehwag will be attacking the bowlers. Will have been attacking the bowlers at the time. They will have been taking good decisions at the time. You will have been writing the interesting articles at the time. They will have been going to the college at the time. We will have been arriving at the bus station at the time. I shall have been motivating them at the time. Like so many examples you can make. Okay, first of all, you have to keep the structure in your mind, then collect the verbs, and you have to collect the verbs, and first you have to put that words in verb ing format and find out the verb 3 forms and make the sentences, number of sentences. Then automatically you will be perfect in the future perfect continuous tense is there. Come to here also, we have some words are there. Can, could means ability, means samarthyam. Can, could means ability, means samarthyam. May, might, uncertainty. Anichiti means confusion. Should, must, responsibility, badyata. Must, should, determination. Must, should means determination, druda sankalpamu. Ought to, obligations, moral values. Naitika badyata, morals. Can, could, ability. May, might, uncertainty. Should, must, responsibility. Must, should, determination. Ought to, obligation, moral values. Naitika badyata. Okay. Come to here. Can, could, ability. May, might, uncertainty. Should, must, responsibility. So here also we use these words in future tense only. I can do this work, this ability. I can do this work. I may do this work. I should follow the advices of our principal and teachers. I should follow the advices. I should follow the instructions of principal and teachers or lecturers. I should obey the orders of a class teacher. I should respect elders. I must wear helmet. I must prepare for the exam. I must follow the traffic rules. I must means compulsory, druda sankalpam. Ought to, obligations. Can, ability, samarthyam. I can do this one. Can means ability. Galara. Cheyagalara. Galara means can, not kalara, galara, galanu, cheyagalanu, chudagalanu. Can you see this? Yes, I can see this. May, might, కావచ్చు, వచ్చు, uncertainty. Should, must, responsibility. Must, should, determination. Now come to that negative sentence of a simple future tense. Negative sentence. Now up to now we discussed about only positive sentence of future tense. Now we are going to discuss about negative sentence of simple future. Now in negative sentence you use will not, shall not for simple future tense. Will not, shall not. So simply in we pronounce will not as a won't in simple future tense. The baby won't eat the soup. Here whenever you use will not, shall not, you use will or shall, then you will write only V1 form only. Okay, like the do and does. Come to here, the baby won't eat that soup. I won't leave until I have seen the manager. I will not go. The baby won't eat that soup. I won't leave until I have seen the manager. I will not go. Number example. I will not do this. I will not play the kabaddi game. I will not come to the college tomorrow. I will not participate in that event next week. I will not participate. I will not develop that project next year. I will not support that party next year, next month. Like that, these are the negative sentence structures of negative sentences of simple future tense. Come to the interrogative sentence of simple future tense. Simple tense for interrogative sentence of simple future tense. Shall I open the window? Starts with the verb. Starts with the be form. Shall I open the window? Shall we go to the cinema tonight? Will you come to the dance with me? Can I do this? Shall we go? Shall we go outside? May I come to the class? May I come to the class, sir? Could you please repeat the sentence, sir? Shall I open the window? Could. Shall we go to the cinema tonight? Will you come to the dance with me? Like that, these are the interrogative sentences of simple future tense. Shall I support the party? Will you come to the college tomorrow? So like that, these are the negative sentence structures and interrogative sentence simple future tense. Like that, for negative sentence of future continuous tense, negative sentences of future continuous tense. So first of all, what is the positive sentence? Future continuous tense. Positive sentence of future positive sentence. I shall be supporting the party. I shall not be supporting the party is a negative sentence. You add not after shall or will. We will be developing that project at the time. This is positive sentence. We will not be developing that project at the time. This is a negative sentence. Add not after shall or will in future continuous tense of positive sentence. Automatically it will be converted into negative sentence of future continuous tense. Like that, shall same on the same lines and the similar way for future perfect tense also. What is the positive sentence of the future perfect tense? Positive come to the future. This is the future perfect tense. Okay, you have to add. This is a positive structure. I, we shall have. Come to the negative structure. I, we shall not have verb 3. He, she, it, they, you will have plus verb 3. So come to the examples. These are the examples for the negative sentences. I shall not be supported that party before that. The coach will not be encouraged as before that. They will not be developed that project before that. The principal will not be visited our hostel before that. Virendra Sehwag will not be attacked. Will not be attacked. Sorry. Shall not have supported that party before that. The coach will not have encouraged us before that. They will not have developed that project before that. So these are the negative sentence structure. Okay, come to here, some typographical mistakes are there for future perfect tense. Okay, so here the structure is shall have, will have. So the positive sentence of future perfect tense is I shall have supported that party at the time. We will have encouraged them at the time before that. The coach will have encouraged or motivated them before that. These are the simple future perfect tense examples. Okay, negative future perfect examples are negative sentence of future perfect tense. I shall not have supported that party before that. Virendra Sehwag will not have attacked the bowlers before that. The principal will not have visited the hostel, visited our hostel before that. These are the examples for the future negative sentence of future perfect tense. Come to the negative sentences of future perfect continuous tense. The examples, first of all, I will read the positive sentences of future perfect tenses. I shall have been supporting that party at the time. The coach will have been encouraging us at the time. They will have been developing that project at the time. So now we're going to discuss about negative sentences of future perfect continuous tense. I shall have not been supporting the party at the time. The coach will have not been encouraging us at the time. They will have not been developing the project at the time. The Virendra Sehwag will have not been attacking the bowlers at the time. Okay, the principal will have not been visiting our hostel at the time. Okay, they will not have been motivating us at the time. Okay, like that. These are the some examples of negative sentence structure examples are there. So finally, you see, after completion of all the three tenses, we have some common formulas are there. So first of all, I will read once again the structure for all the tenses. Okay, all the tenses. Come to the simple present tense. Subject means IV plus subject, IV, you, they, plus verb plus object, he, she, it, verb plus s plus object. For simple present tense structure, I, you, we, they, plus verb plus object, he, she, it, plus verb plus s plus object. Present continuous, I plus am plus verb in ing form plus object, you, we, they plus are plus verb in ing form plus object, he, she, it, is plus he, she, it plus is plus verb in ing form plus object. For present continuous. Present perfect, I, you, we, they plus have plus verb 3 form plus object, he, she, it plus has plus V3 means verb in third form plus object. Present perfect continuous, I plus have been plus verb in ing form plus object, and e-sheet plus has been plus verb ing form plus object. Here we use two words generally. One is since, another one for. We use since for the specific time and specific date or specific year. Uncertainty of time we consider for also. Come to next, simple past. Subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus v2 plus object. Come to the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. I plus he, she, it plus was plus verb in ing form plus object. You, we, they plus verb ing form plus object. Past perfect tense. I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus had plus verb 3 form plus object. Come to past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. I plus I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus had been plus verb ing form plus object. For simple future. For simple future, I, we, shall plus verb 1 form plus object. You, they, he, she, it will plus verb 1 form plus object. Future continuous tense. I, we plus shall be plus verb ing form plus object plus at the time. You, they, he, she, it plus will be plus verb 1 form plus object for future continuous tense. Come to future perfect tense. I, we plus shall have plus verb 3 form plus object. You, they, he, she, it plus verb 3 will have plus verb 3 form plus object. Future perfect continuous tense structure. I, we plus shall have been plus verb ing form plus object. You, they, he, she, it will have been plus verb ing form plus object. So these are the structures for the all tenses. Structures for the all tenses. Come to now, here after all sentence structures, generally after careful examination of the structure, we have some similarities are there compared to one tense to another. So come to first present tense. In the first present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense, there is verb ing form is there. Come to past tense. Past tense also past continuous, past perfect continuous. There also verb in ing form also there. Come to future tense. Future continuous tense as well future perfect continuous tense. There also verb in ing form there. In how many tenses verb ing form is there? Totally 6 tenses. One is present continuous. Second one is present perfect continuous. Third one past continuous. Fourth one past perfect continuous. Fifth one future continuous. Sixth one future perfect continuous. Okay, in these 6 tenses verb in ing form is there. Come to now verb 3 form is there. Verb we use verb third form means past participle in 3 tenses. What are they? 3 tenses. Come to present tense. In present perfect tense we use verb third form. Past perfect tense we use verb third form. And future perfect tense also verb third form. Future perfect tense also verb third form. See, these are the similarities are there. Okay, verb being form, word third form. So verb being form we use in generally 6 tenses, past participle verb in 3 tenses. Okay, these are the similarities we are find out. Then the same way, the can, could, ability, may, might, should must, and responsibility, must, should, determination, ought to, obligation, moral. So these are the generally we use can I do, I can do, may I come, you may come, I should follow, you should follow, I must do this work, I must complete this work tonight only. So like that we use can, might, may, should, must, ought to, obligations. So these are the tenses we are now going to discuss about the tenses. Now come to negative sentence structures. Negative sentence structures for the come to negative sentence structures. Negative sentence structures. Once again we will discuss. So come to first for simple present. Simple present we use for negative sentence some B forms also there. So that's why I place, am place, not place object. He, she, it place, is place, not place object. You, we, they place, are place, not place object. We'll come to some regular words are there, regular sentences are there, means verb is there, no helping verb is there for simple present tense. So come to the negative sentence. I, you, we, they plus do not plus object. He, she, it does not plus does not plus object. While we use do not and does not, we will write only verb one form only. Keep in your mind, this is most important rule. Okay. Now come to the present continuous. Present continuous. I plus, am plus, not plus, verb being form plus object. You, we, they plus, are plus, not plus, verb being form plus object. He, she, it is plus, he, she, it plus, is plus, not plus, verb being form plus object. Come to future tense. I, we, you, they plus, have plus, not plus, verb 3 form. He, she, it plus, has plus, not plus, verb 3 form. Come to present perfect continuous. I, you, we, they plus, have plus, not been plus, verb being form plus object. Come to he, she, it plus, has not been plus, verb being form plus object. Come to the past tense. For the simple past tense, I, you, we, they. He, she, it. Here also some B forms are there. They are helpful. Here helping verb is there, are is there. Okay, they were helpful. Were is there for simple past tense. They were helpful. Were is there. B form is there. Okay, so in such type we use I. In such cases we use I, you, they, we plus verb plus, not plus object. He, she, it plus was plus, not plus object. Come to the regular sentences, means verb is there, not helping verb is there, not means B form is not there. So I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus did not plus verb one form plus object. Did not, use did not. As usual, come to present continuous. I, he, she, it plus was plus, not plus object. Verb being form plus object. I, you, we, they place were place, were not place, verb being form plus object. Come to past continuous. Past perfect. I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus had not plus V3 plus object. Come to past perfect continuous. I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus had not been plus verb ing form plus object. Come to the future tense. Come to the future tense. I, we plus shall not plus verb one form plus object. You, they, he, she, it plus will not plus verb one form plus object. Future continuous. I, we plus shall not be plus verb ing form plus object. You, they, he, she, it plus will not be plus verb ing form plus object. Come to future perfect. I, we plus shall not have plus verb 3 form plus object. You, they, he, she, it plus will not have plus verb 3 form plus object. Future perfect continuous. I, we plus shall have not been, shall have been positive, shall have not been plus verb ing form plus object. You, they, he, she, it plus will have not been plus verb ing form plus object. So these are the negative sentence structures for the tenses also. Negative sentence structure for the tenses. Okay. So you will keep mind. First of all, read all the tenses structures and by heart it and collect the verbs. Okay, and make practice the sentences. Then you will be perfect. Okay. After perfection of this grammar part, automatically you will be perfect in English language also. You will get some command over the English language, Without these structures and without this sentence formation, without knowing this sentence formation, you will not fulfill or you will not be perfect in English language. Everyone keep in your mind. Okay, follow this one. Practice more and more time. Take so many examples. Okay, practice makes man perfect. Don't neglect. Okay, everyone. Thank you.